Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes with Ryan.
And today we've got a bit of a different video because I've got my friend Ella here and we're going to test a recipe for chocolate marble cake from the BBC Good Food Cookbook. And we've not done this before, we've not tried the recipe, it's going to be crazy, we're going to fuck everything up really badly.
If this fails, it's your fault.
It's right, okay. Before you start, heat your oven to 180 degrees or 160 degrees if it's a fan oven, and grease around 20 centimetre baking tin and put like a little parchment at the bottom. So what we are going to do is we are going to beat the butter and sugar together. Let's soften it. Right, can you tip the sugar in there while I soften this butter?
I forgot which one the sugar was.
It's the one that looks like sugar.
Yeah, but the flour also looks like sugar.
The flour does not look like sugar!
It does in this lighting.
Oh my god.
Beat the butter in the sugar till it's done. Beat the butter in the sugar till it's done. There goes the size of butter, there's a skeleton in the sugar, and it speaks for scary today on Halloween.
Right!
They do be looking kind of soft though.
So yeah, we are going to take turns with the beater. Not die, hopefully.
Bonk.
Right.
It's got a whisk.
You know what? Why don't you just shut up?
No.
So yeah, now that is extra fluffy. I didn't want to do that tongue thing. Yeah, it looks very swag. Here's a close-up. And now what do we do? Now we are going to add the eggs. One at a time, mixing after each addition.
Do 2 eggs each.
Okay. Go. Put the whisk.
Put the whisk in the bowl.
And whisk the bowl.
What
the hell is wrong with this egg?
Why are you doing it against a plastic bowl?
Sorry.
I've never seen an egg be opened with such aggression. I want to do the white one.
Okay. Hopefully it's not like a duck egg or something mental. These are fresh homemade eggs.
Homemade.
No.
From our own bodies.
From our own bodies, from our own personal ovaries. They are not
cannibalism.
They are not from our ovaries, they're from the ovaries of a wonderful lady chicken who kindly gave birth on May's farm, and we thank the chicken. We thank the world for chicken. Can I get shell in it?
I'll get you in it, or does that I don't know.
That's an embryo thingy, is it?
In it?
In it?
Oh my god, it's like alive and stuff.
It's not alive.
That's its brain.
You make me so tired. Fuck. I'm just worried.
Like, do you not just want to like down that?
No! Ella! Ooh, oh, is it split? I reckon it's... No, I don't know.
Ooh.
I don't know what that even is. Ooh. I forgot the quantities, right? We need, so it was 225 grams of butter, 225 grams of sugar and 4 eggs. And now we're going to put in 225 grams of flour, 3 tablespoons of milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Yes.
Vanilla. Vanilla. Mental.
Anyway, but the flour, yay!
Woo!
And the milk, which is sweet, tablespoons, in case you missed it the first time, because I know my audience are very stupid. That was a joke.
Your audience
Don't
of 2
subscribe.
people.
My audience, shut up, I have 15 subscribers. Right, now I'm gonna have to cut that out. And a teaspoon. Would you like to do the honours and pour
Absolutely not.
the vanilla into the teaspoon?
Ugly boy.
What, the vanilla on me?
No, the spoon.
I couldn't see it! Just
I couldn't see it.
pour the whole bottle in.
I did that once.
Now we fold it.
That is a threat. This just looks so...
It's
disgusting. I want to just, like, devour it. Can I have a go? No. I want, please. I'll entertain the crowd.
Go on, entertainer.
I'm entertaining them with my magical circus skills. I could be in the circus with this.
You could not be in a circus. Literally any human being can do
No, I
that.
can't. You do it with your fingers that don't work. It's gonna hurt you in a second, isn't it? Yeah, exactly. Do you know what I didn't do? Chuck it across the kitchen.
Now we divide it between 2 bowls, and as luck would have it, we have another bowl.
Plop.
I used to get really sad in primary school when people would sing that song that was like, let's go out and kill Barney, because I was like, that's my cat, stop. Now we are going to get the milk, what's it called, the chocolate thing, the cocoa powder.
I love how you called it milk. That was really, like, clever of you.
We're going to get 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and put it in to this bowl, so we have like chocolate.
Wait, the thing when I
mixture.
thought...
Don't say that on YouTube, Ella. Right, we're going to have 1 bowl of chocolatey mixture, which we're going to fold the cocoa powder into. God, that's a lot of cocoa powder.
It's your fault.
Oh my god, why are you so mean to me?
I'm not taking that from somebody who calls me a ginger.
You literally showed me a picture of when you were ginger.
I was not ginger.
Yeah, you are.
I was blonde and then it went dark.
Now we are going to get this handy grease tin that we greased beforehand. Have you seen Gerard Way?
True.
We put the cake mixes in the tin, like one at a time. So I'll put like a spoonful in, and then Ella, you put a spoonful in, like randomly. Yeah, go on, lad.
Nice lad.
Okay, then we get a skewer, and we're gonna like.
We're zizzing it.
We're zizzing it. We are. Now we have our sexy marbled cake mixture. Whee!
I love the way you stomp over.
I'll stomp on your head. Oh my god, that's ages. Okay, we're putting it in for 45 to 55 minutes until a skewer inserted into the centre comes out clean. Yeah, we're putting it in 45 to 55 minutes.
Why does it go slower when you hold it?
No, it doesn't. Look.
Whoa.
Right, so we will get back to you when we are decorating it. We've asked
on the flip side.
We've asked for suggestions
on my
Then,
Instagram.
on
Yes.
Ella's Instagram, and we are going to write them if they are appropriate on the cake.
with our chocolate and caramel flavour writing item.
And we also have decorations, and we also might make some icing.
Who knows?
Depending on how much sugar I have in. Yeah, see you then. Right, here's the cake. We've taken it out of the oven. It's not fixing. Yeah, that's the cake. And we are going to decorate it once it cools down. Yeehaw! We're gonna decorate it now. It's been out of the oven, it's cooled down a bit.
It's been a long time.
We've got a lot of chocolate, we've got these, we've got some chocolate hearts. Oops.
One less. Oh, thanks, babes.
And we have writing icing. And we're going to write stuff on once we get suggestions because people haven't given us PG suggestions yet, and my parents are going to see this cake.
Still write PG and say it stands for there's no perfect person. Prince.
No!
Prince, what name is it? Prince Peter? I don't know, whoever Peter is.
Right, what are we going to do with these? Just sort of chuck
Just
them
lob
on?
them on, innit? They're not going to stick.
No, they aren't.
You need something to make them stick. Yeah, let's just make globules.
How do you get it to come out so fast? Right, this is such a failure.
My lip gloss be cool. My lip gloss be popping.
No, we need to leave space in the middle for writing.
I am homophobic.
Right, why isn't this coming out properly?
That's gonna like come back to get me. I'm gonna become like famous somehow, and then like 20 years into the future, someone's gonna find this video and they'll be like, oh my god, Ella Mysko said that she was homophobic, we must cancel.
Maybe we should like mix some icing, sugar and water and just stick it on like that. Do yourself.
You're gonna have to edit some of this out.
So we have icing, sugar and water here. We're gonna put it on the cake.
It looks like the medicine my cousin gives to her baby. Does that mean you're gonna have to punish me?
I'm leaving that in.
In this heteroerotic relationship. Ew, you'd get like really greasy feet. Do you reckon it's morally right to chicken if you're a vegetarian? Can you ask Henry? Should you just write boing Homer?
Yeah, actually.
Should we do it?
We're writing boing Homer on the cake.
This is not funny to anyone.
Can I write Homer?
Okay. It's in the colour of his skin.
Wait, no, can we write like Homer?
Homer.
Can we?
Yeah, do it. You could like get Henry to do something and then one of us can be shouting boing Homer boing and then the other one can be shouting like go white boy go.
Yeah.
Homer. Boing Homer.
Boing Homer. Right, there we go.
I think that's beautiful.
So let's give it a little close up. So, how did you enjoy this?
I think it was a very fun experience. I'm so glad you let me on the video. Thank you, Ryan. Love you.
Okay, we are tasting the cake. Move your leg.
Oh my god, that's so sexy inside.
Right, there you go. That's you want to show the audience the cake?
I do want to show the audience the cake. It is delectable. Comically delectable. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's see what it tastes like.
That was... Just... Oh no! It's fine, I'm still a very...
A 0 out of 10 cake keeps jumping all over the place.
Tastes exactly how you'd expect cake to burn there.
Yes, I would say this recipe was good because the cake didn't burn or anything, and also it tastes nice.
It tastes like cake. If you want cake, get this.
Can you do an outro? Just tell people to subscribe and stuff.
Hey babes, if you enjoyed any of this, which you probably didn't, subscribe because Ryan deserves it.
Aww.
And go make a cake, it's fun.
Yay.